My name's Kevin, and today we'll be changing radical notation into exponential notation. So we start off with our equation, which is 6th root of x to the 5th, and the cubed root of x squared. Now a little bit about radical notation. So we're just going to start out with an example. The n stands for our index. This line right here is called our radical. The x is the base, and the m is the exponent. And to turn that into exponential notation, it's just this simple equation. So your index goes under your exponent. So to start off with this equation, we're going to have to turn it into exponential notation. So we're going to put the 6 under the 5 and the 3 under the 2. And we have that right there. Now, the rule of exponents are if the bases are the same, which they are, you add the exponents. And then since we are adding the exponents, it's just like any other when you're adding anything with a denominator, the denominators need to be the same with the lowest common denominator. So this is a 5 over 6 and a 2 over 3. The lowest common denominator is 6. So you're going to times this one by a 2 over 2, which is a 1, to make it 4 over 6, which we've done right here. Now once we do that, we just add up our like terms, simplify it to x is x to the 3 over 2, and once we have that, we separate it. Now we separate it so that we can find out what goes outside of the radical and what goes inside of it. Now since it's a 3 over 2, you can pull out a regular x, which is basically x 2 over 2 and x 1 over 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, so it adds up. So once we do that, we see that there's a whole x, which is going to go outside, and x, which is less than 1, so it'll go back in. And that's where we get our answer. X to the square root of x. Thank you.